Jonas Gahr Støre sier han skal ha et møte med sametingspresidenten neste uke, og sier at han da vil gi et godt og varig svar på det som Høyesteretts dom. Og nei, han skal ta livet av sametingspresidenten. NRK har lagt ned Kost til kvelds, men senere i sendingen skal gjøre at Else Kåss Furuseth og Markus Neby allerede har fått seg ny jobb.
Som altså å rive vindturbinene på Fosen.
Jan og Pernille, hvilken nyhet dette?
Vi i Senterpartiet beskyldt for å ikke bry oss om utrydningstruede rovdyr. Det ikke sant. Vi vil ha et mangfold av rovdyrarter. Død jerv, død gaupe, død ørn, død ulv, død bjørn. Senterpartiet, dødsglad i rovdyr.
Dette en nyhet som jeg ble litt sånn overrasket over omfanget her. Altså, regjeringen har fått kritikk for å ikke gjøre noe med det at folk jakter ulovlig på rovdyr som jerv, ørn, ulv, bjørn. Og det liksom, det åpenbart at folk koser seg noe voldsomt med det. De skyter jerv fra skuter i fart. De legger ut sånne revesakser og moser gauper og drukner jerv. Knytt fast betong og ned i høl i isen. Altså, det ikke måte på. Problemet at det veldig få som blir straffet for disse forbrytelsene, selv om politiet det har blitt anmeldelser. De henlegges selv om de vet hvem det Så jeg mener at i sånne saker så jeg for borgervern. At hvis du har du tatt konge og ørn med revesaks, da får du sitte i revesaksa selv og kjenne på det. Ja, det mener jeg. Altså, du kan få syre i teen din, ikke sant? Uten at du vet om det. Og da du ikke spiserøre, og det knår deg. Så du skal få kjenne på det selv.
Om centerpartisterna verkligen ville döda vargar, åk till Kazakstan. Det finns 250 000 vargar där. Och befolkningen skulle vara så tacksam om man sköt några av dem.
Ja, har du vært der og skutt noen?
Jag har skjutit varg i Kazakstan, ja. Men,
och det vill du anbefala? Ja.
Jag vill anbefala centerpartister som tycks ha en väldig lidelse för just den formen att åka till Kazakstan.
Men selv i Norge så det jo sånn, altså det jo så mye ulovlig ulvefelling i Norge, og når de vet jo hvor den ulven hele tiden. Nå åpner ulvejakta, ferdig, sier de. Da det skutt med en gang. De skyter med en gang.
Ja.
Men det det, vi har jo veldig overvåkning over både individer og reirplasser, og hva de spiser, og hvor de trekker. Men vi har ganske dårlig liksom, informasjon om de som jakter på det ulovlig.
Ja.
Skulle vi fulgt opp det også? Litt sånn, hvor det de trekker hen? Kanskje vi må ta ut noen individer der også, hvis det blitt Alvdalsflokken blitt litt stor. Ja.
Det blir jo ikke etterforsket. Det bare forsvunne asylbarn som blir mindre etterforsket enn rovdyr.
Men altså ulv, jeg tenker på en ulv jeg har hørt om, det har jeg kanskje alle hørt om, som etter at det ble skutt, så ble den sprettet opp, og ut kom bestemor.
Den var der.
Ja, og det igjen det mytiske, altså at ulven jo, vi har så lett for å glemme at ulven ond. Ja, den sleip.
Lett å glemme.
Veldig lett å glemme at ulven har et eller annet ved seg.
Ja.
Og det og du bestemor da, så det livet så.
Kanskje det for mye rovdyr. Og det jo, det Reineier på Fosen sa at det største problemet vi har egentlig ørn. Den nede og tar så mange reinkalver at hvis dette fortsetter, så vil det være tomt for rein der borte. Og da det viktig å minne de på, dere har fått vindmøller. Den tar ørn.
Ja.
Det finnes jo ikke noen større brutalitet enn dyrene mot dyrene, og de blir jo aldri tatt. For ikke å snakke om hele evolusjonen, som bare et sant helvete, udemokratisk, så det holder.
Så du tenker at det ikke så ille det vi gjør?
Ja, jeg bare mener at det på samme måte dyrene gjør. Altså en katt, den følger etter en mus, og den koser seg ved å rive av ett og ett ben, og ligger sånn og, deilig. Altså, vi får nesten orgasme og drive dyreplageri. Og så dyreplageri jo selve grunnlaget i naturen.
Problemet med varg og gaupe, framforalt, at de utrotningshotade.
Men bør ikke de som driver med denne ulovlige jakten egentlig skaffe seg en identitet? Altså, kalle seg noe. Bli en gruppe. Rovdyrfolket. Og så kan de si at det å drepe ulovlig, altså rovdyr, er en del av deres kulturutøvelse.
Ja, de heter SKT-föreningen i Sverige.
Ja, riktig.
Hva er det står for?
Skjut, grev og tig.
Vi har noen som har ansvar for dette her, og det er Statens naturoppsyn. De prøver jo å gå rundt og kontrollere. Det som skjer er at de som driver med ulovlig jakt, de driver og saboterer dem og skjærer opp dekkene på jeepene deres og vrir på sidespeilene og stiller inn på seteinnstillingen og sånn. Så når de kommer tilbake til bilen, så er de sånn, herregud, jeg satt jo ikke så lavt i sted, så blir de bare helt fortvilet. Det er jo mobbing, er det.
Har du skutt andre rovdyr da?
Ja, bjørnar, isbjørn.
Nei, du har ikke skutt isbjørn?
Ja, självklart.
Selvklart, hvor har du skutt den da?
I Nunavut. Altså,
Jeg prater, du ringer Økokrim. Og ring nå med en eneste navn.
Nei, men har du...
Ikke for Spetsberg, utan i Nunavut, altså den delstat i Kanada som administreras av inuiterna.
Ja.
De får licenser på det här och på byarna och sen så frågar de sig, kamrater, ska vi ha ett...
So this person is talking about how this other person is pulling the legs of this animal. Why? Because when I was little, I pulled the leg of this spider. And that is because I realized that this spider does not have a nervous system. Because when it loses its leg, without me doing that on purpose, that spider does not notice anything because of its missing nervous system. And this person is making me into the most evil fucking person on this whole entire fucking planet, because he wants to hurt me as much as fucking possible. And he is saying that I am getting an evil orgasm for pulling the legs of this spider. But in this story, that spider is an animal. And he is mentioning orgasm because he is surveilling me, and he is evaluating my vagina, and he know that I got an orgasm not the previous night, but the night before that, because I was self-destructive, and when I am self-destructive, my body is shocked, and then I get an orgasm. And then this person is sitting there thinking that he is coming good out of this situation by doing all that towards me. And you know what? I was just waiting for you to do something very criminal, because a repulsive fucking human being is written in your forehead with the biggest fucking letters. I understood that this spider did not have a nervous system, and that this spider did not notice me pulling the leg of that spider. And this had nothing to do with evilness, because that is not me. That is not how I function at any fucking point in time. So that can never be my reason. But you have made sure that I have been tortured beyond all fucking limits for all of my fucking lifetime, each fucking second, each fucking day. And then you are sitting there still, trying to hurt me as much as fucking possible by using the fact that you are a fucking pedophile. And for that reason, you know that I did this as a child, because you are surveillancing me. But then you are presenting me as the biggest fucking devil on this whole entire fucking world for pulling the legs of that spider. Because you're looking at the world through your own fucking brain. After doing all that, you're still sitting there like nothing fucking happened. You are an evil person doing evil things for evil reasons because you want to hurt people which does not deserve it as much as fucking possible. And that is just what you have been doing for all of your fucking lifetime. But then you are criticizing me. You are criticizing me while not noticing your own fucking behavior at any fucking point in time. Because then the logic in your brain would prevent you from behaving like that. The extent of evilness of doing this thing. Are you fucking kidding me? You are evaluating my private fucking orgasms with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible. And for that reason, I have had to handle the worst possible fucking torture for all of my fucking lifetime. Each second, each fucking day. It is so fucking painful to be around stupid people. The level of evilness, oh my fucking god. I blame myself for all of my fucking lifetime for not even doing anything wrong. But because you are attacking me, well, you are doing something wrong each fucking second, each fucking hour, and each fucking day. And that is just what you have been doing for all of your fucking lifetime. And then you are looking for something to hurt me with as much as fucking possible. This person, which have been doing good-hearted things for all of her fucking lifetime. Each day, each second, each year. But the thing is this, that either you get it or you do not get it, because people are who they are, and their interpretation of the situation is more dependent on IQ than fucking anything. And it does not help me to explain this as good as fucking possible, because people are still inside of their fucking head. But oh my fucking god, the disgusting fucking behavior of this disgusting fucking man. And I can assure you that there are many evil lesbians supporting that evil fucking devil. The fact that you people have been attacking me for this spider which I pulled the legs off because I understood that this spider did not have a fucking nervous system. I have been blaming myself for this for all of my fucking lifetime. This has made my life so fucking difficult. The fact that you are making me into the biggest fucking devil of this whole entire world for pulling the legs of that spider. Well, I actually understood that this spider does not have a fucking nervous system, and this spider did not fucking notice anything. There are so many cases like this, which indicate that they have analyzed every fucking second of my life with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible, and in order to exploit me for the worst fucking possible human fucking trafficking. People which functions like this cannot be kept alive. Are you fucking kidding me? The dysfunctional way of functioning, which this is. You are like maximizing your evilness with the desire to hurt someone which does not deserve it as much as fucking possible. That is so fucking dysfunctional. Oh my fucking god. And you have analyzed every fucking second of my lifetime into the smallest little fucking detail without asking or informing me about fucking anything. Oh yeah, you surveillance a child for all of her fucking lifetime. I am an adult now, but these things which are repeated happened when I was a child. Oh yeah, so you are a pedophile, which is analyzing every fucking second of the lifetime of this child with the intention to hurt this child as much as fucking possible. And for that reason, you are surveilling that child behind her back and against her will. And you are totally destroying all of her purpose for fucking life because her privacy is very important to her. And if you only surveillance her for 5 seconds, her life is fucking ruined. And there is no fucking purpose with living fucking anymore because you went over some fucking line. And I refuse to start fucking living again at any fucking point in time. Because doing things like that towards a person like me can never fucking be accepted. And for that reason I choose to fucking not continue with life. Because what you did is too fucking much. And now my life is over. So it is obvious from other things mentioned in this program that they want to hurt me as much as fucking possible. So when they are talking about people hurting the animal, I can assure you that that is how they are presenting me behind my back with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible. And they are talking about someone suddenly giving them poison. It is so functional when someone can suddenly give you poison. Why? Because they are making me into that crazy fucking person which is giving other people poison. I hope that someone gives you poison because you protect the existence of these people with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible. You support that people which is actually giving other people poison are kept alive in order to protect the abuse of me and other people which does not deserve it into all fucking eternity. So you would deserve to get poison. And you would deserve so fucking much more than that because you are hurting someone which did not deserve that, and that can never be excused. They are saying that if your dog is growling at you, you're abusing that dog. No. That is fucking bullshit. Dogs are angry. And they can growl at anyone for that reason. For instance, this dog in this household is or has decided that I cannot carry this dog into its cage when it is night. And if I try to do that, the dog is growling at me. Because dogs are angry animals, and that is the whole explanation for that. The dog is used to being carried into the cage by my non-biological mother. And if my non-biological mother is not doing that, the dog is growling. And literally I just need to let the dog stay outside of its cage during the night and with the door open so that the dog can just go into the cage if he wants to. So yeah, dogs are angry animals. So I burp one time without deleting it from my private picture stream. And that one time which I did not delete this video where I am burping from my picture stream. This article is appearing on my For You page on TikTok talking about burping. Even though I cannot even find this video where I am burping because it is not visible enough for me to find that video afterwards. But I am me and I noticed that I burped and I remember that I did not delete this video. But yeah, I think that they are using a different surveillance method and that is heat detection or for instance the Ekkolodd method, which send waves to create a picture of the surroundings and a very detailed picture, because I have seen people using this on the television one time, but after this I think that they hide this surveillance method to use it for criminal purposes. And even though they also have access to my picture stream, I do not notice that I am burping in any of these videos when I am watching these videos afterwards, and for that reason that is probably not their method of knowing this. But I have been tortured beyond all fucking limits for 36 fucking years, and that is what I have been talking about today and other days to my private picture stream. And then you focus on my burping. Why? Because you are evil people doing evil things for evil reasons. And you want to hurt me as much as fucking possible. And for that reason, you are using my burping to humiliate me beyond all fucking limits without asking or informing me about anything. And you want to hurt me as much as fucking possible. They are analyzing my smallest little facial movement and even my fucking burping. You know, to hurt me as much as fucking possible after I have been tortured beyond all fucking limits for 36 fucking years. Why? Because they are the people, which is the reason why I have been tortured beyond all fucking limits for all of my fucking lifetime. And they want this to continue. And that is the reason for this video. They are supporting the worst possible torture of me and other innocent people because they like that. And then they are standing there complaining about themselves and their own fucking life. Oh my fucking fucking god! Stop fucking talking! You are assuring the worst possible torture of innocent people, and then you are standing there complaining about you and your life. Oh my fucking god! This is my body! This is my choice! And this is none of your fucking business! And you are constantly surveilling every fucking facial expression in my face and everything happening to my body! And I cannot remove these people! They have not asked or informed me about fucking anything! These people do not function fucking good enough to be kept alive! Are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, but you make it pretty fucking clear when I am talking about torture and the worst possible torture which I have been through for 36 fucking years, and you focus on my burping to hurt me as much as fucking possible after all that I have been through. You make it pretty fucking clear that you are here to hurt me as much as fucking possible, and that this is what you want to continue doing. These people do not function fucking good enough for 5 fucking seconds. This is a taboo to talk about. Oh, why is that? When you are using that topic to hurt me as much as fucking possible, without asking or informing me about anything. And that is your presentation of this wonderful fucking human being. And you're talking about how this is taboo. Are you fucking kidding me? Your presentation of this perfect, smart and sensitive human being is that she is a girl which burps. And then you're complaining about the fact that burping is taboo. Who is making that into taboo by harassing another person for her burping like that? That is you, for God's fucking sake. But if I want to keep something in private, that is my body, my choice. But you're picking out my burping to present me as a person because you want to make me into the most retarded fucking person of this whole entire fucking planet because you want to hurt me as much as fucking possible after all that I have been through. Are you fucking kidding me? I am a smart and sensitive person, and you are making me into the burping girl. Are you fucking kidding me? These people need to die. This is my body. This is my choice. And if you do not understand that, you have nothing to do on this planet. Nothing. Yeah, and my hair is greasy. Why is that? Because I was not planning to make a video today. And because that is hair care. Yeah, showering too often is tearing on the hair. But then this video appeared on my FRU page on TikTok, and then I make exceptions, and then I make a video with greasy hair, which was not my plan at any fucking point today, because I was doing other things, and I was publishing Snapchat stories from 2019, and that is maybe why this video is appearing on my FRU page on TikTok, because that is a big fucking threat, and they want to prevent me from doing that, because they want to protect the worst possible torture of me and other innocent people into all fucking eternity. It is not fucking coincidental at any fucking point in time that this one time I am not deleting the video where I am burping from my picture stream. They are making a video for the national television channel TV2. They are making a burping video for the national television channel TV2. Because they want to humiliate me and hurt me as much as fucking possible after all that I have been through. They have analyzed every fucking second of my life in order to hurt me as much as fucking possible. Because they like that. And they are constantly making me into the biggest fucking devil of this whole entire fucking world. Because they want to hurt me as much as fucking possible. Even though I never did anything to hurt anybody. And for that reason, that was not what I did. They are making everything into be something which it is not. And which it was not. Because they want to hurt me as much as fucking possible. I'm not allowed to be irritated. Then they make me into an aggressive person with a desire to hurt me as much as fucking possible. Even though irritation is difficult for me, not them. And I am a good-hearted person doing good-hearted things for good-hearted reasons. And that is the reason for my irritation. But then they are presenting me as the biggest fucking devil of this whole entire fucking world. Because they want to use every fucking second of my life to hurt me as much as fucking possible. And they do not even allow me to be irritated for good-hearted reasons. And due to their fucking evilness. And while they are fucking surveillancing me, and I know damn fucking well that I am a good-hearted person doing good-hearted things for good-hearted reasons, because that is what I have been doing for all of my fucking lifetime. While they are surveillancing me, they are making me into ABB. This serial killer which was shooting a lot of people on Utøya. They were planning to blame me for that because that is how far they are fucking willing to go. And they are doing that towards me all the fucking time. I am accused of being around the fucking world and around this country and many places at that same time. And I am blamed for fucking everything. Even though they surveillance me and know damn fucking well where I am located. And that I was not at those locations. And then they are like, we need to surveillance you to see that you do not do anything criminal. I am not a criminal fucking person. You are doing criminal things all the fucking times. So surveillance yourself. This is my body and my choice. I have never done anything to hurt anybody. And then this is my choice. This is my body, my choice. Because I never did anything to hurt anybody. But you did. And a lot of people all over the country and all over the world did. Are you surveillancing them? No. Because you are horny and you are exploiting me for human fucking trafficking. And you want to hurt me as much as fucking possible by not accepting me as this great person which I am at any fucking point in time. And that is so evil. And that is so fucking discriminating. You are putting an evil personality down my throat constantly. I am not that evil person and I show that on my actions each fucking day. And then I have to handle it all of my fucking lifetime. People need to die. You never touch a person which never did anything wrong. Stop fucking talking and do something about yourself and something permanent, please. People are stupid and criminal as pure fucking shit. And they are admitting to being serial fucking killers. in the comment felt on TikTok. And have you ever at any point in time cared about that? No. Why? Because your intention is to hurt people which does not deserve it as much as fucking possible. And for that reason, that is exactly what is happening. Evil people doing evil things for evil reasons cannot be in charge of fucking anything. Because that is everything they are working towards and against. They want to hurt people which does not deserve it as much as fucking possible because they like that. And then you're listening to the same fucking people and giving them a voice to do things in this society. Are you fucking kidding me? No, no, no. When I have not done anything to hurt anybody at any fucking point in time, that is my body, that is my choice. But you cannot make retarded people evaluate that, because yes, then retarded things are going to happen, because people are fucking retarded. And that is why they want to hurt this person, which is giving them more life joy than fucking anything. That is why they want to hurt this person as much as fucking possible. And that is their reason. Yeah, how fucking fucked up is that? You're not just not thankful. You want to hurt me as much as fucking possible for being the greatest fucking joy of your life. Yeah, people are retarded. But yeah, it is so fucking difficult to understand that I am smart, because you can just scan my brain and then that is visible. But you people are criminal people doing criminal things for criminal reasons, and you pretend that you cannot just scan the brain to know if someone is smart or stupid, because you are protecting your criminal fucking system for criminal reasons. Because you are evil and you like that. Oh yeah, because the smarter you get, the more crazy you get. Yeah, that is a theory which I have heard very many times, which indicate that people are retarded as pure fucking shit. Yeah, that sounds logical. No! Not at any fucking point in time, but as I said, people are fucking retarded. And that is why they are supporting retarded things like that. Yeah. We need to surveillance you. Yeah. Yeah, because that is just why you have used every fucking second of my life to hurt me as much as fucking possible, while I never did anything to hurt anybody. But you have made it pretty fucking clear that you have analyzed every fucking second of my life with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible, because you like that. And because you are a fucking pedophile. They are like presenting me as this devil which get a devilish orgasm by pulling off the legs of animals. Because I once pulled the legs of a spider, because I noticed that this spider did not notice that it lost its legs, because it does not have a fucking nervous system. And for that reason, it is not evilness, because it does not notice that it lost its legs. And I did it for the sake of science, because I am this interested little girl. And but you are a pedophile, and for that reason you know this, because I was at a low age at the time. So that is yet another example of the fact that I have analyzed every fucking second of my life with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible. But their analysis is made in to the most evil fucking story with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible in a story which is not connected with me and my person at any fucking point in time. I pulled the leg of this spider because I understood that this spider did not have a nervous system, and for that reason that spider did not notice. But then I have heard this story repeated again and again, and for that reason you have made my life so fucking miserable. Because this thing which did not hurt that spider, and which I understood that it did not. You are making me believe that this hurted this spider anyway when it did not. And you are making my life horrible when I never did anything to hurt anyone, and that was not my intention. And if you do not just talk to me and tell me your opinion instead of attacking me, you are going to seriously abuse me because I am a functional fucking person. And I blame myself when people are attacking me like that. And due to your dysfunctional fucking behavior, my life is going to be totally miserable. While I never meant to hurt anyone at any fucking point in time, and that was not what I did. But I am attacked through the fucking television by devils wanting to hurt me as much as fucking possible. After I have been tortured for 36 fucking years, you are with the greatest amount of illness pulling out this story which you know about because you have surveillance every fucking second of my life with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible, and you are presenting everything as if everything is not. Every fucking second of my life have you used to hurt me as much as fucking possible. And there is not one thing in my history which has not been repeated through the fucking internet or the fucking television. But everything is misunderstandings, or they want to misunderstand. I never did anything wrong towards anybody. But you interpret everything through your evil fucking brain, with a desire to hurt me as much as fucking possible. And you do not ask or inform me about fucking anything. I just have to sit there and watch the fucking television and people which I do not know at any fucking point in time is repeating my history on the fucking television, and every fucking second of it is represented. And they are enjoying life while doing that. Yeah, and this evil person presenting me as the biggest fucking devil of this whole entire fucking world, with the intention to hurt me as much as fucking possible, and saying that I am pulling legs of animals, and which is also a representation of the fact that they are presenting me as this person which is abusing animals. At which fucking point in time have I abused any fucking animals? But you can kind of separate out different things, and I understand what is taken from secret surveillance and what is just pure fucking bullshit. And it makes it pretty fucking obvious that they have been present every fucking second of my lifetime with the desire to hurt me as much as fucking possible, and that is just what they have been doing. Yeah, I think they said that I was pulling legs of animals. I was pulling legs of a spider. And because I noticed that the spider did not notice losing its legs, which is correct because a spider does not have a fucking nervous system. But while talking about that, he said that I got an evil orgasm by doing this. Why? Because he knows about the orgasm I got the night before that or something. Because they are constantly analyzing my vagina, and I get constant feedback that horny fucking lesbians are constantly analyzing my private vagina without asking or informing me about anything, you know, to humiliate me as much as fucking possible. And that is what they are constantly doing. You realize that you cannot keep these people alive, don't you? These people does not function fucking good enough for 5 fucking seconds. And it is so fucking discriminating when you are this kind-hearted person which cares more about other people than fucking anyone. And then you are presented as the biggest fucking devil of this whole entire fucking planet. Because people want to hurt you as much as fucking possible. Well, I have done everything in my power to work as hard as I can to get well fucking peace for all of my fucking lifetime. And then that is the feedback I get for my contribution. That is the feedback I get from my contribution. Well, I have to handle being caught in a cage by the criminal fucking system for all of my fucking lifetime with no fucking life quality at any fucking point in time. That is the feedback I get, and that is how people are treating me in return for being the most wonderful fucking person towards fucking everyone. And it does not exactly help me to not get any fucking feedback, because then I cannot do anything about this abuse. But the thing is this, that you are enjoying to give me this feedback because you are enjoying to see me suffer as much as fucking possible. And that is why you are doing it, because you like this and you think that you are getting away with it.